In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Trello. The goal is to automate some of those repetitive tasks and help save you time, whether you're managing a team or organizing your personal projects. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate over to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a fantastic tool that allows you to create automated workflows between your favorite apps, known as Zaps. Once you're logged in, you'll see a friendly dashboard designed to keep you organized and productive. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Zap on your Zapier dashboard. This will guide you toward creating a new Zap. It's an intuitive process, but make sure you have a clear idea of what you're aiming to achieve with your integration before you start. After clicking Zap, you'll be prompted to select a trigger. Triggers are crucial because they are the events that kick off your automated workflow. In the search bar provided, type in Trello. This action will filter the options and make it easier for you to locate and select Trello, ensuring your trigger is tied to this specific application. Having chosen Trello, the next step is to click on Choose an Event. You'll be presented with a variety of options, each representing a different trigger event. For instance, you might select Card Due, which triggers the Zap whenever a card is due on Trello. Pick the event that best matches your needs. Once your desired event is selected, you'll need to connect Trello to Zapier. Click on Connect Trello, and if you haven't done so already, you'll be required to authenticate the connection. Simply follow the prompts to allow Zapier access to your Trello account. Rest assured, this connection is secure and only has the permissions you grant. After successful authentication, click on Allow to finalize the connection. This step ensures that Zapier and Trello can work together seamlessly, ready to start automating tasks according to the event you've set. With Trello connected, proceed by clicking Continue. This will lead you through a confirmation process, letting you review your selections and ensure everything looks good. Finally, click on the Test Trigger option. This will run a test to make sure your Zap triggers properly under the conditions you've set. Testing is a crucial step as it verifies that everything is set up correctly. That's it. You've just integrated Trello with Zapier, setting up your first automated workflow. Remember, automation is all about making life easier by letting technology handle routine tasks and enabling you to focus on what truly matters. Play around with different triggers and actions to explore the potential of Zapier and Trello in streamlining your workflow. Happy automating!